What is up, Print Squad? I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a huge unboxing that's going to be a game changer for my business. So if you want to see what I'm unboxing, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Alright guys, I finally did it. It's something I've been talking about for a couple of years, maybe 3-4 years, and finally and actually I've had it for a while. I've had it for over a week now and just have not unboxed it because I have not had time and I have been so busy. But I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys see what it is. Alright, so I actually have two things that I'm going to be unboxing. One of the things is right here in this package, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my little knife and open this up for you right quick. Alright, I got that right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the knife and try to open at the top without amputating myself. So I open it up and guess what is inside, y'all? Y'all are not gonna believe this. Look, another package. It's enclosed in 2 packages. Yeah, I didn't believe it either. I knew y'all wasn't gonna believe it, but it's double packaged. Let me go ahead and open this up if I can. Okay, let me open this up a little bit more. Alright, so right here, you guys can see what this is. If y'all know what it is, type it down below before I can let you guys know what it is. Alright, and this right here should definitely 100% give it away. No, I'm not a doctor. No, I'm not doing drugs. But these are syringes. Okay, so right here, as you guys see, right here, that's where I got it from. And right here, I went with the cartridges right here. Yeah, so I went with the cartridges. Well, I dropped it. Hope that didn't mess anything up. But I decided to go with the cartridges because I'm just getting started with it. And, you know, as things pick up, if I need to change up with that, I will. So, yeah. Got the cartridges. Got the ink right here. So, if you guys can guess what it is, let me know. And if you can't guess what it is, I'm gonna put this next thing over here, and you should be able to figure it out by then if you guys are kind of up on your t-shirt game. Alright guys, I'm gonna do the big reveal and let you guys see this other thing that I have right here. Bing! Right there. Here it is right here. It's the new printer that's going to be my sublimation printer, if you haven't already guessed. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it for you guys. And I'm not going to actually set it up today because I'm about to get ready to leave here shortly. And I want to show y'all my area back here, actually, before I even unbox it. Like right back here in my area, y'all see I don't have a lot of space. It's kind of a junk stockpile back here. But I want to put it on this table right here. And this printer right here that I have right here, it was actually up top up here before I put all this junk and other stuff. That's my extra vinyl cutter and, you know, all this junk that I have right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna end up putting it on here. So that's where it's gonna be, on this table. And I don't know if it's too close to my conveyor dryer. I may end up having to switch this spot with this spot. But what I want to do is take this printer right here, and I also have a laminator up here, y'all. But I want to take this printer and place it back up there. And this printer I've been having for over 10 years, and maybe it's time to go ahead and, you know, I don't know, I hate to get rid of it, especially when it's still working. I probably continue to use it unless it gives me problems again and then, but it's still working and it's been old faithful. You know, it's been here since I've been in this building and before, you know, when I decided to leave Epson alone. But now, as you guys see, I'm back with Epson for this new venture that I'm trying to get into. And I also have this other printer over here. This is the HP T120. It can actually print up to size 24-inch designs. So I want to get that back going too, because I actually just stopped buying ink for it and stuff like that. I mean, the cartridges are so small on this thing, and you know, they just don't hold much ink, and the yellow is always out. The yellow is always out. Like right here, for this huge printer, this is a small cartridge. The cartridges in the other one are bigger than this, and this yellow is always an issue with it. It's always out, and I don't print much with that. But you know, since I'm gonna be getting into this right here, you know, maybe I can I don't know, maybe I can do something with the other one too. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to let you guys kind of do somewhat of an unboxing for this bad boy. All right, so all right, we cracking that open. And you got the power cord right here. You got the inks right here that I will not be using. I'm gonna compare them with these other ones, cause I know that this black is actually big. It's actually bigger than this other one. So hopefully that fits. Hopefully everything will work out with that. Yeah, hopefully this will work out. I got that because I know black is used a lot usually. All right, I don't know if I can even get this printer out by myself, but I'm gonna see. For you guys, I'm going to see. I have just recently started back working out. All right. So this is pretty much a shot of it right here. Let me see if I can lift this up. All right. Yeah, so they have it taped up pretty good. That's the back side of it. I don't want y'all to be looking at the back side. Let me turn it around, let you guys check out the front side of it right here. I'm not going to worry about removing all the tape and everything from it today, but I just want to kind of let you guys check it out. Guess I can give you a better view of it. Yeah, that's the front of it. It's an all-in-one printer right here. That's the back side of it. Walk around to this side. And also in the box you have your installation CD and I guess your instruction manual. And yeah. Yeah, Print Squad, I will be getting into the subbing, and as you see, I got my printer and my ink in. I do have a few other items coming in, and once I do get some of those items in, I will be unboxing and letting you guys know what I purchased, and be doing some videos, you know, I guess first time videos, because I never done this before. I've been printing t-shirts for over 10 years, and I'm just now getting into sublimation. And actually, y'all, sublimation was actually the first form of t-shirt printing that I saw when I worked at the alternative school, when I was teaching, when I first moved back to Louisiana. They were printing t-shirts, but they were using a sublimation printer, and they had this huge Epson printer that had like double inks. It had ink on both sides. I mean, it was a really awesome printer, but when I did research on that, and it was like you have to use special shirts, so, you know, I didn't want to get into that because I was like, I don't want to have to use special shirts, but, you know, there are a lot of options with subbing. So that's all I have for you guys today. I appreciate you watching the video, and if you haven't subscribed to the green and the red channel, be sure to subscribe, because on the red channel, I do a live stream every day at 10 a.m. Central Time, 11 a.m. Eastern Time, and 8 Pacific. So, you know, y'all can check me out on there. And if y'all have questions, y'all can leave them on Instagram. DM me on Instagram, and I will answer your questions live during those live streams on the Red Channel, and I answer questions that you post, you know, during the live stream also, if time permits. And also, you can follow me on Instagram at T-Shirt Chick TV, and hit the notification bell for both of the YouTube channels, and join that Print Squad group on Facebook. And I will see you in the next video. Print Squad out. Work.